Welcome back, and welcome back to a tutorial how to create your own text adventure gaming website. And this is another part of this video series. On a previous video, we mentioned about setting up a subdomain and creating an index.html file for your front page of your text adventure gaming website. Right now, I'm going to show y'all how to make a text adventure game that goes with your text adventure gaming website. Where I'm at my apps folder. So what I'm going to do is go to my file manager, Now, I'm at my file manager. I'm using an Android 2-in-1 Nextbook tablet. It's a laptop tablet hybrid, but a touchscreen does not work. I'm using a keyboard. What I'm doing right there, I'm going through a list of games I already created, but there are some other folders that's not associated with my website. In this case, I'm going to open my text adventure game while I'm making. For this instance, Cat Ride Quest. I already created this folder for my text adventure game. Now, when you create your own text adventure game, what you need to do, you need to create your index.html file within your folder. It needs to be in the root folder of your text adventure game itself. Are you just worrying about these folders? I will tell you about it later on. So what I'm about to do is to open my index.html file because I already created this folder. So I'm going to demonstrate my editing first. Now, that's my HTML file source code while I'm editing my text adventure game. And what I'm doing, I am verifying if my trying to figure this out. Oh, wait a minute. Excuse me. Wait a minute. I was verifying the layout of my text adventure game, but this can be played on desktop. But I'm still developing this game. I just worry about the ad code I place into my text adventure game. I'm going to mention about this later on these other videos. Okay, let's see. Looks like I do need to edit this because I do need to be considerate because I do need to move that that other folder for that starting level, because that's not the way how the game should go. So I want to just make sure where it says like chose start, or some cases I'm gonna put like this one. I'll put chose start dot html. What I'm going to do is to press my home button. Now what I'm going to do is move this. Okay, now the try it session needs to be moved to another file, because I do need to move that file where it says chose to play. So I do need to make sure the storyline goes through. What I like to do when I edit my index.html file, my front page, I like to put where it says go back, or you can exit back to the front page. So to make it convenient for a user, I'm going to do is add another option. Oh, hold on one. Hello, what's this one?
Screen off.
Oh, sorry, bye. Just got a random phone calls somehow. Well, I kept being bombarded by these robocallers. Anyway, what I like to do with this index.html file is to make sure it has all the controls of interactive, but I like to put like a link back to a home page, so a person doesn't have to press the back button on a keyboard or on a browser itself. So I want to just make sure I put my link to my front page on my Text Adventure Gaming website. Okay, href equal // arcade dot FARIES DREAMS FANTASY.com, and I'm going to do is put quote there, and I'm going to do is to close this element right there. So I'm going to do, I could I'll type where it says HOME. Now, I put the home link in this index.html file. So what we're about to do is to save what I got right here. I'm going to do is type Control W to exit out, Control Shift Q, and what we're about to do is to go through all my folders I have. And what we're about to do is to find my file I need to edit. Okay, what I'm about to do is to go to my style workings right there and make sure I take this file, so I'm going to do is take this file, copy this file. So what I'm going to do is to rename it. What I'm going to do is to rename this file. Rename it. Do is rename it as shows and what I want to do is save this file. So what I'm about to do is go to my go to my level folder. I'll go to level 0. Okay, I got following, so what I'm going to do is to go to my index.html file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to select all, because I may need to copy this this source code. So I'm going to do X out, and then I'll type Control Q, and now what I'm going to do is to back up. So what I'm going to do let's go to my renamed file where it says chose start. So what I want to do is clear the CSS values right there, what I just left over, and what I'm going to do is replace it with my source code, and what I'm going to do is okay, now I'm going to do okay, now I'm going to do and make sure the game what I have is set. So what I'm going to do is want to make sure my description and overview is accurate, but you can always edit this if you want to. So what I'm going to do is edit this because I just updating this because it's 0. It's set because it's at September 5th. What I'm going to do is and I'm going to do is I'm going to do is I'm going to do is put this and then I'm going to do is put on this try folder was a try underscore, and then I'll close it off. Now try it out and try it out. What I'm going to do is update this. What I'm going to do is to do a little revamping. So I'll put so level 0. So I'm going to just put level 0 in because I do need to make sure the game needs to be cheater proof, and so what I'm going to do is save each time. Now I'm going to do is enable the levels to have its own banners right there, but I'm not going to put those in just yet. So I do need to what I want to do is to go to where it says level 0. So for this instance, I have this index.html file I need to edit. So I'm going to do is edit this title. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the level name as introduction. I'm going to just type it up. Well, I already typed it in. Okay, I'm going to just go to my header. I'm going to just edit this right here. I'll name this. Okay, I'm going to do what I'm going to do is replace this jargon, because don't want having too much of a jargon. And I'm going to do is to make sure the storyline starts, but this is going to be an introductory page here. So I'm going to do is make sure I have to follow someone type the following. So I'll put like this: you are warping into a game via a portal. You are now seeing these lights turning off, indicating warp status of a game. On your left, there's a coin slot with a slot. Box that include these slots starts the game. I'll type next. On your right, there's a curtain that is still open. there is a different arcade machine that is a coin operated right on Tiger with a person riding at it. A ride on Tiger is large enough for a large there's a TV monitor designed to output a virtual environment. Displaying a force. It has lots of trees and there are 4 monkeys swinging from one tree to the another. You are sitting on a back of an female orange cat. Her head is blocking your view. You are hanging on to her soft fabric ribbon to control her. What I'm doing right, I'm describing in full details. So we're about to go to new line. So I need to make sure an action is done after I do a brief description. You are inserting a coin into a box to start a game. The lights. Okay. Start to flash. and the curtain closes. Lowering a bar to reminds customers to wait for a player to work. The primary lights begin to turn off, and an orange.
Yeah, wrap it up to get ready to come to lunch, okay, honey?
Okay. Cat to. Okay, hold on. Cat begins to pull forward. Oh, sorry, but that was one stabber to remind me for lunch. Okay, the orange cat begins to pull forward. You can feel her rock. Her purring echoes the warp tunnel. The coin box lights up to let the orange cat what you're writing to see properly. You are about to lean forward. You can hear an orange cat navigate down the hallway. There is no lights down this hallway as you go further. Now, this is the reason why I'm making this text adventure game. The text adventure game, what I'm creating, is sort of like a game for the blind what I'm making. So what I'm about to do is to continue on with this same storyline, but I'm going to do is type this as, and wait a minute, an orange cat reaches the end of the section of this hallway, she begins to speed up as the door closes vertically. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to save right here. Because I should save regularly. Now, this is the reason why I'm making this game almost like a long interactive page. Because I want people to read more. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to do is X out, Control W, and I'll type Control Shift Q. What I'm going to do is to go to Overview, and I'm going to dismiss this Droid Edit Free. What I'm going to do is to make sure, hold on, check the time. Check it. Okay, I just checked the time, so I still got some time before it's lunch time. So what I'm about to do is go to Turbo Client. I'll log into my website. I'll log in. I'll go to my arcade directory. Okay, I'm going to jump down to my local files. Okay, this is my folder. Okay, request. So I'm going to do is upload. Okay, I just getting this file uploaded. So what I want to do is make sure my files are uploaded. So what I'm about to do is X out. So what I'm about to do is go to my is to go to arcade.variostreamsfantasy.com. Okay, I'm going to do is now I'm going to do is test my text adventure game. And now what I'm about to do is go to one of my games I'm creating. Okay, I'll go to this game here. And now, now the game's beginning right now. So what I'm about to do is to test this game. Okay, what I'm going to do is to oh great, that browser kept freezing. But why browsers kept freezing somehow? Sometimes Chrome does not respond what I expected. What I need to do is make sure I wait, because this is problematic. And this is problematic. This message telling me Chrome isn't responding. Gotta hurry up. Make sure it takes a that's funny. Okay, so I'm to wait. Or saying Chrome isn't responding, so what I'm about to do is sometimes this browser often crashes, so what I'm about to do is to go to that start game link. Okay. Okay now. Alright. So now I'm testing it. Okay, I want to do is make sure things are okay now. Okay. Okay. Okay, looks like I created this game right there, but this is just a demonstration what I have right here. So I'm about to X out. So because I'm about to get some lunch, so I'll be back. So if you want to continue on with this this video tutorial right there, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like if you think this tutorial is helpful. So what I'm about to do is to is about to enjoy my lunch, and I do have links available at the description box, so you can donate to my channel via PayPal Me or Cash App. You can also excuse me. You can also find me on Facebook and check out my website available at the description box below. So see ya. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to finish up this recording.